needed to buy a gift for someone and you had absolutely no idea what to choose?
Maybe it's for a coworker, your manager, or someone you don't know very well. You walk into a store and suddenly everything feels like the wrong choice. You start thinking, is this too personal? Is this too cheap? Will he even like this?
And when you have to do all of that in English, it can feel even more stressful. But today, we're going to make this simple.
In this conversation, you'll learn exactly how to ask for help, explain your situation clearly, explore options, and confidently choose a gift even when you're unsure.
My name is Anna, and I'll guide you through this conversation.
And I'm Leo. We're really glad you're here with us. If you enjoy learning through real-life conversations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. All right, let's get started.
Hi, excuse me, could you help me with something?
Of course. What can I help you with today?
So, I'm trying to buy a gift, but I honestly don't know what to choose.
No problem. That's very common. Who is the gift for?
It's for a coworker. He's leaving the company next week.
I see. So it's kind of like a farewell gift.
Exactly. I want to get him something nice, but not too personal.
That makes sense. Do you have a budget in mind?
Yes, I'd like to spend around $30.
All right, that's a good range. Let me ask you a couple of questions so I can suggest something better.
Sure.
Do you know anything about his interests? For example, does he like coffee, sports, or anything like that?
Well, he drinks coffee every day, and he always talks about how busy he is.
Got it. So maybe something practical but still thoughtful.
Yeah, exactly. I want it to feel useful, but also like I made an effort.
That's a great way to think about it.
Thanks. I just don't want it to feel like a random item.
I understand. In that case, a combo gift could work really well.
A combo gift?
Yeah, a combination of a few small items that go well together.
Oh, I like that idea. It sounds more complete.
Exactly. For example, we have this set here. It includes a travel mug, a pack of premium coffee, and a small box of chocolates.
Oh, wow, that actually looks really nice.
It's a popular choice for coworkers or professional gifts.
Yeah, I can see why.
It's practical, but also a little bit special.
Can I take a closer look?
Of course.
Okay, this feels like a good balance.
That's what most people like about it.
How much is this set?
This one is $28.
Oh, that's perfect.
Right within your budget.
Exactly.
Do you want to compare it with another option just to be sure?
Yeah, that might help me feel more confident.
All right. Another option is a desk set. It includes a notebook, a nice pen, and a small organizer.
That's also nice, but it feels a bit, I don't know, less personal?
I understand what you mean. The coffee combo feels warmer somehow.
That's a good observation. Yeah, I think it matches his personality better.
Sounds like you already have a preference.
Yeah, I think I do.
Then that's usually a good sign.
True.
Sometimes when choosing a gift, your first instinct is the right one.
That makes sense.
Do you want to go with the combo set?
Yes, I think that's the one.
Great choice.
Do you think it's appropriate for a work setting?
Definitely. It's thoughtful without being too personal.
Perfect.
Would you like to add a card?
Yes, please.
We have some simple options here.
Let me see. Okay, I like this one. It's simple and clean.
Good pick.
What should I write in it, though? I always overthink this part.
That's very common. You can keep it short and natural. For example, wishing you all the best in your next chapter.
Oh, I like that.
Next chapter is a useful phrase. It means a new stage in someone's life, like a new job or a new opportunity.
Ah, that's a great expression.
It sounds warm and professional at the same time.
Got it.
Do you want me to repeat it?
Yes, please, one more time.
Wishing you all the best in your next chapter.
Perfect. I'll write that.
Great.
Do you offer gift wrapping?
Yes, we do, and it's complimentary.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah, no extra charge.
That saves me time and money.
Exactly.
I'll choose this wrapping style. It looks clean and professional.
Good choice.
All right, I think I'm ready.
Great. I'll take this to the counter and prepare everything. So we have the combo gift set and the card. Your total is $28.
Perfect.
How would you like to pay?
I'll use my card.
Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Done.
Great. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
It'll just take a moment to wrap everything.
No problem.
Here you go. All wrapped and ready.
Oh, wow, that looks really nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, I feel much more confident about this now.
That's great to hear.
Honestly, I was a bit lost when I came in.
That's completely normal.
Yeah, choosing a gift is harder than it looks.
It really is, especially when you don't know the person very well.
Exactly.
But you asked the right questions and made a solid choice.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Of course.
All right, I think I'm all set.
Have a great day, and I hope he enjoys the gift.
Thank you, I think he will.
And that's the end of today's conversation.
Now you've seen how to handle a very common situation, buying a gift when you're not sure what to choose.
You learned how to explain your situation, ask for suggestions, compare options, and make a confident decision.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. Clear and simple communication is enough.
Keep practicing conversations like this, and you'll feel more natural every time.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
We'll see you in the next one.
Take care and keep practicing your English.